Want to know how to create your own class in Java? So it's super simple and easy and under a minute, so let's get right into it. In Java, everything starts with a class. Think of it like a blueprint for objects. So here's a basic example code right here. So in this code, we first define a class named dog right here. So it is public class dog. Now inside it, we add a method called bark parenthesis. So we can see void bark parenthesis right here. So that just prints woof. So under system out printer, and you can see woof. Now we call the method my dog period bark with parenthesis on it. So this is another function, and boom, the output is woof. Now that's it. You can just simply run it up, and now you can see the output right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.